Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to get $200 free on Coinbase. Now, I know what you're thinking. $200 free? That's too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Coinbase is running a promotion right now where they're giving away $200 in free Bitcoin to new users. And the best part is, you don't have to do anything special to qualify. All you need to do is create a new account and deposit $100 worth of cryptocurrency. So, how do you do it? Step 1. Create a new Coinbase account. Go to the Coinbase website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and password. Step 2. Verify your identity. Coinbase will ask you to verify your identity by providing a photo ID and a selfie. Step 3. Deposit $100 worth of cryptocurrency. Once your identity is verified, you can deposit $100 worth of cryptocurrency. You can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or any other cryptocurrency that Coinbase supports. Step 4. Claim your $200 free Bitcoin. Once your deposit is processed, you'll be eligible to claim your $200 free Bitcoin. You can do this by going to the rewards section of your Coinbase account. That's it. You're now on your way to earning $200 in free Bitcoin. But wait, there's more. In addition to the $200 free Bitcoin, you can also earn up to $1,000 in rewards by referring your friends to Coinbase. So, be sure to share your referral link with your friends and family and help them get started with cryptocurrency. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.